Guys, guess what we're talking about today? A launchpad that's happening, a DeFi ecosystem insulated from inflation and bankruptcy. Okay, it's the gate to DeFi. I'm going to get straight after this disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, I do this for education purposes only. So let's roll this video. So here we are, guys. It's CVL.network, and as you can see, as soon as we come on, before I even give you an overview, we have the airdrop happening. And guys, what I want you to do is 100% hit that airdrop button. This is a civilization, the gate to DeFi. Like I said, the ecosystem insulated from inflation and bankruptcy. Okay, now this is going to be incredible. Watch this. Click that airdrop button. Okay, you can open it straight in Telegram, or you can register on the website. I'm going to show you register on the website right now. Put your email in, put your password in, your referral code if you have one. Okay, if not, just have one, and register. Super easy, guys. You could do it through this, or you can just go through the Telegram bot just by clicking that. Guys, it is in paramount that you hit that airdrop button, because the airdrop is where you're going to absolutely get some free crypto, hopefully, and excel your crypto portfolio. So what is this? Okay, let's have a little overview of what CVL Network is. It's a multi-chain cross ecosystem with a full suite of products, including CVL Wallet, CVL Exchange, CVL P2P. CVL Wallet is a non-custodial multi-chain wallet and gateway, okay, built as an infrastructure to the multi-chain feature. Okay, CVL Wallet actually provides a one-stop platform for users to access the DeFi ecosystem, integrates all the most popular decentralized protocols. CVL token is the native utility token of the platform, okay, the current and planned use cases of CVL tokens. They actually include the ecosystem development, staking and farming, governance, unique membership rights, and the usefulness of the token in the ecosystem. Guys, follow along with this link down below, okay? You can actually get it just going straight from the website. I want you to do your own research. That's why I've not gone word for word, or I would bore you to death. So keep that, click there, okay? Now, you can see the different ones. We've got all different articles here that you can follow and you can stay updated. What I want to point out is you need a program like this, a decentralized ecosystem, right? Because it solves so many problems. What we're trying to solve is the problem of stability, income generation, utility, liquidity, security, inflation. Okay, using a very easy convertible protocol, they have actually created a liquid, transparent, and fully decentralized currency. Its stability comes from carefully designed arbitrage mechanisms and through real-world interactions with the global P2P system. Now, they have plenty of services. You've got the P2P platform, where you've got the free marketplace of influencers and partners to grow the community together. Send and exchange cryptocurrencies, NFTs, fiat currencies, metals, and stocks. Okay, like speed you've never seen before. Easily fast and swap with minimal fees, and it's got the media platform. Guys, the benefits you get here, comparing it to other ones, Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, Kraken, we've all heard of them, right? Commission 0.01%, the lowest of them all, okay? The wallet, tick, 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 tick. Okay, Binance do not have a wallet. Coinbase charge you. Yes, KuCoin and Kraken are very good. Media platform, there isn't one out there. Swap platform, there isn't one out there. Okay, they're partners. You will see some of the biggest names: 1inch, Uniswap, PancakeSwap, CoinGecko, 8swap, QuickSwap, GBA. Some of the biggest names in this whole industry partnering up. So start investing safely. Okay, simple, 3 steps. All you gotta do is download the free wallet, create your account, and buy the assets. Okay, guys, follow them on all the articles, okay? Like I said, I want you to do your own research into this. Next one I want to talk about is how I actually think this could be the answer. Okay, I'm comparing this to Trust Wallet. We all know Trust Wallet, all right? I love Trust Wallet. I do. I also love MetaMask, okay? How massive that has come. You can see it up in my extension. I truly think this is going to be the answer. This is going to be the key that spearheads the industry in that way. And not only that, you can instantly pick up crypto for free just by clicking on the airdrop like I showed you before. This should be the most important part of this video, okay? If you want to open it up in Telegram, simply just do this, okay? It'll open up, you get this, you press start on the Telegram bot, it says hello, and then you can choose your language. I'm going to choose English right now. And there you go. Watch the video. Be first to participate in the civilization airdrop. Now, it will show the video here. It's only 29 seconds, okay? You can either get him for free. I'm going to click get him for free, and it shows you exactly what you have to do. It's super easy. Subscribe to the Civilization channel, react to the post, join Civilization, write a message in the channel, and press next. How easy is that, guys, to get free crypto? If you want to just buy it straight away, click the buy CVL and it'll show you how to buy it. Guys, this is the most amazing project that I've had to review in a very long time. Guys, the reason I believe in this project so much, it is fully decentralized, and you can see when compared to other projects how amazing it is. I know I keep going over it, but I'm so all in with this project. We finally have a wallet that's competing with Trust Wallet, MetaMask, and the others, all right, that we can actually believe in. Do you remember TWT token, what it was when we first started? Guys, it pumped, all right? But the thing is with this is there's no whales here. It's purely the community getting involved with simple steps like this and making sure that the price is going up because of the value. So guys, that's why I believe so much in this project. The reason the price goes up is because of things like on their Twitter. Okay, they're always promoting towards something, allocating tokens for something, airdrops, launch pads, things like that. So it's not whales coming in and just going, this project's going to be good and moving it. The whole community is getting behind this, saying this project is going to battle the rest of them because it's believable, it's relatable, and it's real. Okay, the value is real. Guys, if you enjoyed that, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified, and please leave a comment letting us know what you think. Guys, thank you so much for visiting. We'll see you next time.